In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. This is a really handy workflow if you want to save time and ensure you're always on top of your transactions without manually checking every single payment. Perfect for business owners and administrators looking to streamline their financial management process. Let's start at the beginning. First things first, head over to the Zapier website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming that step is already complete, log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where the magic will soon happen. Now find and click on the Create button. This is where you initiate the process of setting up a new workflow, or ZAP, as Zapier likes to call it. After clicking Create, you'll want to select Zaps from the menu. A ZAP is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services, moving data between them effortlessly. Moving on, in the Setup screen, you'll notice a section for setting up a trigger. Think of the trigger as the event that sets everything into motion. Click on the Trigger field to begin defining what starts this ZAP. In the search bar that pops up, type in Stripe, and you should see it appear in the search results. Select Stripe as your trigger app. Stripe is a powerful payment system that many businesses use to handle transactions, and here it will be the source of our initial data. Once you've selected Stripe, the next step is to decide what the trigger event will be. Under the Trigger Event dropdown, look for options related to payments, as we're specifically interested in notification about payment activities. This selection depends on your specific needs, whether it's for new charges, successful payments, or another payment-related activity. With that done, you'll need to log into your Stripe account through Zapier. This is a crucial step, as it authorizes Zapier to access your Stripe data securely. Follow the prompts and complete any verification steps to log in. If it's your first time connecting Stripe to Zapier, you might need to provide additional security verifications to ensure a seamless and secure connection. And there you have it. With these foundational steps completed, you are well on your way to automating your Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. It's an innovation that can greatly enhance the efficiency of your operations by not only saving time, but also reducing the chance for error in manual handling of payment information. In summary, you've logged into Zapier and Stripe, chosen Stripe as your trigger app, and set up a payment-related event to start your ZAP. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll cover how to continue building this ZAP to finally send the notification you desire.